Hello everyone, welcome to Properties by Room. My name is Rutuja. Today we are in Pachpakadi in Thane West and we are going to be touring a 2+2 BHK Jodi apartment which comes with an additional 700 square feet of a beautiful terrace. The best part about this property is that you have the entire floor to yourself. So we are on the top floor right now and you get this entire space to yourself. This is your lift right here which will continue and open up to this foyer or lobby space. So let's go ahead and check out our first 2 BHK apartment, which is approximately 660 square feet of usable space. So this right here is your L-shaped living dining area. Right now I'm standing inside of the dining area, but let's go ahead and have a look at our living space first. This is a rectangular shaped living area, comes with an attached standing balcony which will be overlooking the views of the hills and the Thane city skyline. Another thing is you can see the metro bridge from this balcony, so once the metro is up and running you can enjoy the views of the metros as well. From your living area you also have this 700 square feet of beautiful terrace, but we'll have a look at that later. Let's go ahead and come and check out this kitchen space. So again, a very beautiful kitchen area you have here. You can put your double door refrigerator. So inside of this kitchen again you have tiling done all the way till the top, and here you have a black granite platform, comes with a sink attached. You have a Jaguar fitted tap over here, and this is your L-shaped little exhaust window, and from this window also you can see a lot of coconut trees, a lot of trees and the view of the hills. Your MGL pipeline connection, that is your gas connection, has already been done since this is an OC received apartment. Now let's go and check out our bedroom number 1 right here. Right behind me was a common bathroom. We'll have a look at that later. So this is our bedroom number 1. Again, a very beautiful space. You can put up your beds over here. You have a very spacious wardrobe niche. It's very wide and in depth also it has a very good depth, so you can utilize this wardrobe space according to your needs. Right here is a little standing balcony again, but mainly this window is here so that you can get a lot of ventilation inside of this room and also a lot of light. Now let's move ahead and have a quick look at our common bathroom right here. So this is our common bathroom. Again, inside of this bathroom you have anti-skid flooring, tiling done all the way till the top. You have premium Jaguar fittings inside of this bathroom. Attached to that you have a little utility space as well. Right adjacent to our bedroom number 1 is our bedroom number 2. So this is our bedroom number 2. This is a master bedroom, comes with an attached bathroom. Again, a very spacious wardrobe niche. Like I said before, the depth of the wardrobe niche that they have given is really good. You can utilize them very nicely. Right here is your standing balcony again to ensure there is a lot of light and ventilation coming inside of your rooms throughout the day. This right here is our attached master bathroom. So inside of this bathroom again you have premium Jaguar fittings. You have a utility area attached to this bathroom as well. Now let's go ahead and check out our second 2 BHK apartment like I said before. And since these two entries are currently separate, you can create one big main entrance from here, and this passage that you see currently right now can be the interior of your apartment. So this passage can then later open up to the living dining room of this apartment. Right now we are inside of the hall, that is your living dining space. This space can be your living area. Right here can be the space for your dining table, and right next to that you have your kitchen. Again, inside of this kitchen as well you have black granite platform, tiling done till this height inside of your kitchen. Your MGL gas pipeline connection has already been done since this is an OC received apartment. Now let's move ahead and quickly go and have a look at the first bedroom of this apartment. So in this apartment you have one common bathroom right here, and this is your main master bedroom, since this has an attached bathroom here. So in this bedroom you get a rectangular shaped space. It's a very beautiful space. You can create a wardrobe on this side of the wall. You can place your beds on that side, and you have a lot of space to move around even after putting a lot of things inside of this room. And right here you have an attached standing balcony which will be overlooking the view of Pachpakadi and the little buildings that we see inside of Pachpakadi. Along with that you have lush green trees, very old beautiful trees. Even though we are so close to the highway, you can see there is no disturbance coming from the highway. Now let's go and check out our second bedroom right here. So this is your second bedroom, but before we go there, let's have a quick look at our common bathroom. So this common bathroom comes with an attached utility space. Moving inside of our second bedroom here. So this is your second bedroom. It is in a square shape, comes with a separate wardrobe niche, and here you have a standing balcony again. So this balcony or this window will ensure that a lot of light comes inside of your room, and you have proper ventilation inside of this room throughout the day. Let's move ahead and check out the best part of this apartment, which is it's 700 square feet of terrace. Again, if I have to give you a little bit information of Pachpakadi as a location, it is that the current per square feet rate of this area is anywhere between 25,000 to 30,000, and you getting a 700 square feet of terrace in Pachpakadi is a very big deal. And if you are someone who's into gardening, or who has a lot of plants, or who loves having pet in their house, or even if you are someone who loves to host a lot of parties, this is a very beautiful space. 700 square feet of terrace overlooking the view of Eastern Express Highway. Pachpakadi is known for its peace and quiet. It is very strategically located, very close by to your Thane station, and your Eastern Express Highway is just 2 minutes away from this location. Even though we are so close to the Eastern Express Highway, you can see there is no sound or disturbance coming in from the highway. Here you can see a lot of trees, a lot of nature, and the core Thanekars live here in this area. It's a very beautiful space. Like I said before, this is a 2+2 Jodi apartment with a 700 square feet of terrace. The asking price for this property is 5 crores 25 lakhs plus taxes, open for slight negotiations. If you wish to arrange a visit to this property, you can get in touch with us. My name is Rutuja. My contact details will be on the screen. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel Properties by Ru. Thank you so much for watching.